Our biggest challenge, our biggest competitor is, how things were done in the past. Be it telephone calls, be it email, be it manila envelopes, outdated systems that just have inherent inefficiencies. There's no turnkey solution that exists for companies that have grown over time, that have built all these back-end systems. K2 enables it. What Black Pearl enables me to do is take a process and go across systems, or to present an application that touches multiple systems in a succinct manner.
Del Monte is a global enterprise with 3,400 users. We have a small IT staff with a lot of challenges. Black Pearl is going to help us break down some of those challenges. The formula lifecycle management process is the approval process for making ingredient changes to our pet products. Very important that we have approval and we know exactly what the comments are about that process. When it was time to build the solution, the vision would seem rather simple, but it took more than a year and a half and 2 people to try to accomplish this. And at the end, I wasn't satisfied and the requirements weren't met. So we took our vision and our process to K2, and using Black Pearl, K2 did it in 2 weeks.
K2 is an easy sell because of the solutions that it enables for a business user. Being able to show them what they did not think was possible, solving their problems in an efficient way.
There's no stopping the things I can do with Black Pearl, really. I go back and say, well, I know I can do this in Black Pearl much more efficiently and reduce our time and reuse the things that we've already done.
The information, you've collected it. It's been given to you. Your challenge in this day and age is to aggregate that information in a form that makes sense, that's relevant to the business person at that point in time.
We now can use Black Pearl to extract data from disparate systems, which is a very cool concept and very cool idea that we had never thought in the past.
That's the nirvana, being able to take the Black Pearl technology and create a business process, map the business process for what it means today. And then there's a change. Why does IT always have to be the bottleneck to affecting that change within the business process? Enable the business users to participate. Enable the business users to affect that change.
Now we've got a collaborative between our business and our developers to help build a much more efficient process.
If there is any code that needs to be written, do that once. Put that in a component that can be reused later.
These are my trusty partners when I have trouble. I call them up and they help me solve business problems.
A dynamic business application first is a business application. The dynamic part comes in enabling the business user to affect what that application is doing.
As we become more comfortable with Black Pearl, we can push it as far as we want.
Once the business user sees the aggregate information in the reporting environment, the audit trail, where the bottlenecks are within the process, all of a sudden, there's like, this is where I waste my time during the day, trying to find this information. And you just presented it to me within a singular view. And then they say, okay, let's do this. We need this yesterday.